What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be unboxing a never been used payphone. I got my hands on this from my grandpa. He works at what's that called? Scrap metal yard. And I said I wanted one a long time ago, and he literally gets me one. So let's open this up. Yeah, open it up before all the attempts to review it. Don't have any editing, so here's this piece of cardboard. Yeah. Right on. Okay. When you first open the box up to the payphone, you first might notice there's a receiver, which I'll show you that in a minute. Let's turn up the focus. Hold on a second. There we go. Show you this. Hold on. It says about calls and stuff. Like dial 1 or something. Like for like long distance or something. Here's that part. Pause the video if you want to read this on. Okay. Oh, I'll hear something funny. It says 555 12 1 1 2 555. That's kind of funny. Here is the receipt. Wait, yeah, true. I was afraid to do this. Zoom in on the receiver. Zoop, zoop. Well, that's good. Here is the receiver to the payphone. Usually you see these things in bad condition, like with stickers all over them or something, or someone engrave a name right here. Mine's in pretty cool condition because it's never been used. Plastic's will be out, but so I got it. Here's a key for unboxing the coins. And here's some other keys. Just put that to the side. Let's zoom out. We zoomed out. We're good. Here's another piece of cardboard. Here's another piece of the payphone. Wonder why it says choking hazard 3 and up. So this focuses for some better for some reason. Yeah, I'm not gonna read that. Read it if you want. No. Put that right next to this. And here is part. Okay, hold on. Cover the lens. Easy. Okay. Here is the other part of the payphone. Here is the phone, basically. I'm not gonna take it out. It's 40 pounds. I know. I'm a weakling. Hey, you don't want to take it out. You're so light. You're so fit. Me. Okay. It says stop. Listen for a tone, and then deposit coin, which you put right there. 5, 10, 25. A nickel. A dime. A quarter. If you're from a different country, you don't know what American coins are. U.S. coins only. No Canadian coins. No Mexico coins. Nothing. Only American. Unless you have modded or something. This coin release. If you have like 40 seconds and no tone, you put that down. Slide that. Push for a coin. Well, the thing is lying down, as you can see. So yeah. Push for a coin. Hold on. Okay. Here is the thing when you're done talking to the person. Take the receiver. Undo that. You can't do that with cell phones. For some reason. They should do that. Again, I like that. I don't know why I do. I just do. Hold on. Okay. Got number 1 button. Number 2 button, ABC. Number 3 button, DEF. Number 4 button, GHI. Number 5 button, JKL. Just kidding, lol. Now 6 is MNNO. 7 is PRS. No cute. I don't know why. 8 TV. 9 W. XY. Nosy. Whenever you got star. 0. Also, you could just call out for operator. And pound. I don't know what this means. It says 9 star A. I don't know what that means, but yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you this. Hold on. Let's just get this thing set up here, where this stuff is supposed to go. That's where the things go. And all. There is the payphone itself. This thing was public and being used right now, which I think they would be taking out since 90% of payphones I see nowadays they always have the thing. Unless you're in a city, they never take them out. Like if your cell phone's dead and everyone's in the city's a jerk or not jerk. No offense to people living in cities right now. They'll let you borrow your cell phone or not. Okay, let's try to get this coin mechanism open. Man, that would've been cool. Here, okay. We'll see you, YouTube. Peace out. Don't forget to rate, comment, fave, subscribe, and see you later. Bye.